Hey everyone, this is Michael from Bart Musical Circuits. This is BMC106. This is a Resonant glide. What this module is basically a resonant low-pass filter that's set up to just handle very low frequencies. So right now we're processing the control voltage for our pitch and the envelope for our filters cut off here. And I'll lower that resonance just a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to increase the slew for our control voltage for pitch. And you can hear how it's taking longer for it to hit the note that it's gliding up to it. And I'll start adding resonance, so you should start to hear some vibrato around the start of the note. And if I turn it all the way up, it'll start to oscillate. And let's hear what it does with our envelope here. I'm going to increase the resonance so it's a little easier to hear. So yeah, that's the kind of things this module does. Thanks so much for watching.